Hey guys, Nightimus here. I'm back with another food review. Today I'm at a food truck. It's called Sturgis, if that's how you pronounce it, Tips N Chix. Today I'm reviewing their chicken tips. So it's basically just chicken bits with mashed potatoes. And I also got a strawberry lemonade. This was $5, 13. So 18 bucks it cost me, so it did cost me quite a bit. But it's actually pretty good. Again, this is strawberry lemonade. They have three options. Yeah, original, strawberry, or blue raspberry. And it's all $5. The chicken tips was 13. And they also have a steak tip, which is 15. So this is their chicken tip. I'm not gonna lie, a little bitter, but again, they also have some sauce. You have a choice of special barbecue, Papa's mustard, Viper venom, or Sergio's revenge. I got Sergio, and that's their hottest one, and it is vinegar based. I would told Sergio's revenge is the hottest, but so far it's not too hot. But their mashed potatoes, again, their sauce is vinegar based, that one. Oh, the mashed potatoes are pretty good though. Hell, I'm actually gonna pour their sauce in. Again, it's not crazy thick because, like I said, it's vinegar based. But hey. And that's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. And with their mashed potato with that sauce. Again, it's not crazy spicy, like they said, but it does give a little kick.
You guys are the food testers. How is it?
It's all right, bro.
Is it good?
Yeah. Doing a food review on it, actually.
Looks pretty good. Good.
It's all right. So again, chicken tips.
All about the environment.
So a chicken tip. Oh, hot. I'm trying to show you the inside of the chicken because it's nice and moist. So again, it is just a white chicken as normal. Breaded. Yeah, it tastes alright. Not over seasoned, but still pretty good. But with that vinegar based sauce, cook a little more. And better pour the whole thing. With a little bit of mashed potato. So far, you guys, it's alright. But for 13, oh, hot. Yeah, it kicked a little bit. So far, it's all right, you guys. It is quite a lot of money, like I said.
I mean, it's pretty good, but the portion sizes, you know, are...
Yeah, they're not really big. They're portions, you guys. And it's a lot of money for very little food. If I'm being honest.
This is what the steak one looks like.
Again, the steak tip. I got a friend with me here.
Yeah, really good.
With gravy?
Yeah.
Wait,
barbecue sauce.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yours is more like an actual sauce, huh? Well,
Yeah.
The one I picked was, you said vinegar based, right? I mean, it's all right. A little runny, but yeah, you guys, quite a lot of money. and not big the portions. But overall, not bad. But their mashed potatoes are good though. But would I buy it again? I don't know. Like I said, portions aren't that big. But maybe I would next time they're around.
Yeah, I don't mind buying it. Just wish the portion.
Yeah, no, just
Yeah.
again, last bite was a chicken tip. It's not too bad. So with mashed potato,
Yeah, the
all
barbecue
drenched.
sauce on with the potato is really good.
All right, nice. So mashed potato with the sauce. Mashed potato can't go wrong. I definitely buy that again. Now I got mashed potatoes mixed with my sauce.
Where's Nolan? Nolan, come here.
I'm gonna drink it, you guys. I'm gonna drink it.
Wyatt, take a drink. One more. Stir it all the way here. Alright, you guys good? Go play it for me. Kick to it?
No, sour.
Super sour?
Kind of.
Yeah.
Not really that spicy, guys, but it is sour. But
Yeah, I like sour stuff, but with that, I don't know. I mean, the barbecue sauce is really good.
I guess.
Blue lemonade, this one's pretty good.
Yeah, he got the blue raspberry.
Yeah.
He got the blue raspberry. I can talk today. He got the blue raspberry.
Pretty good.
Nice. And I got strawberry. Again, same price. So again, you got three options: strawberry, blue raspberry, or original. I went with strawberry. Again, same price, $5. I definitely buy this again.
Yeah. That's definitely worth it.
Yeah, don't drink their sauce alone like that. Mixed with mashed potatoes. It's actually why you saw me do that, you guys, because I add mashed potatoes mixed into it. And so far it's okay, but yeah. Don't drink it by itself though, like that, sour. Probably because it's vinegar based. But my rating on it, maybe 6, 7. The chicken tips anyway, but their lemonade and their mashed potatoes, 9 out of 10 for both of them. Again, that was their chicken tips from Sturgis, I think that's how you say it.
Yeah.
Tips N Chix. Yeah, there's people around, but that's the food truck. Now, I don't know where they're usually at on their regular days, but some days you said they're here about a month every month.
They're over here last I saw was May, so I'm pretty sure they go everywhere
Around the state, around the county, I guess.
Yeah.
All right. This is my first time being here, you guys, but I can ask them where they're usually at, and I can let you guys know in the description below. But thanks for this other food review, guys. Hope you guys take care. This is Nightimus. We're all out. So all are one, you guys.